All right, the review of Chapter 4, Lesson 2. What we did here was we created an offset path, which is different than scaling. It puts the exact amount of dimensions between a certain path and the next path that you create. So you highlight the object, go to Object Path, Offset Path, and we're going to do it by negative 0.125. And then click OK. And do it again. Object, path, offset path, click OK. And it creates an object smaller by 0.125 on every side. Now the difference is the smaller you get, the it stays the same amount of distance between that object and that object, as opposed to scaling would get smaller and smaller and smaller. The difference between the different objects, it would get smaller and smaller, and turn in the center it would turn black, 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 whereas here it would continue to stay 0.125. All right, so for lesson 4-6, you are creating the stroke. You change it to 36 point weight. And then we're going to change the stroke to an object. So you click Object, Path, Outline Stroke, and it outlines the stroke so that you can go to Stroke and increase the stroke weight. And there you go. You see that it is now, it's an object. All right, starting with on page 4-20, we're starting with AI 4.7. Save it as simple compound. Cut the red circle in the middle of the illustration. Cut. What is cut? Control X. And what happens? You see that the red circle creates the illusion that there's a hole in the life preserver ring. Select the red background object and change its fill to the ocean blue gradient on the swatches panel. So you need to have your swatches open. Don't have that file, or maybe I do. No, I've got Fading Sky. You guys should have it, but I don't have that. It's going to look kind of like, oh, where's my gradient? Gradient panel. It's pretty much like don't have that gradient. This one's not working too great. All right, there we go. That's close to what y'all have. Miss Bruce, what you need? What you need? Yeah, you need to make sure you have fill and stroke. All right, so we changed it to a gradient. All right, so if you were to paste the red circle back on there, like that is what we deleted. We just deleted the circle. So what we want to do, there is no illusion that there is a red gradient anymore. I'm in a red circle anymore. That messed up. So what you're going to do is you are going to click Object, with the red circle selected. You're going to go down to Compound Path and then click Make. I'm sorry, I did not select the white life preserver circle. You have to shift click both the red one and the Object, Compound Path, Make. There you go.
There's an easier way.
And my words went away. What is the easier way?
If you just like skip all the steps and just start from the very beginning, just make sure both the red circle and the outside thing you selected is good. Just like that.
Say it again.
Like watch. At the very beginning, it's like that and done.
Done. You didn't make a compound path though.
It looks like it.
Well, it may look like it, but the purpose is that you do it right.
But it's saying like work smart, not hard.
I know, but you're not learning how to do what we're wanting you to do, which is a simple compound document. All right, we're going to stop.